This home is brought to you by Roxana Shepley. If you would like to learn more about how your home could be listed by Roxana, visit her at www.roxanashepleyrealtor.com or call 478-256-3120. Full brick, open floor plan, 1-level home on almost half-acre lot, 4 beds, 3 full baths, 2 dining areas, coffered ceiling and electric fireplace in greatroom. Carpet in bedrooms only, engineered hardwood flooring and foyer, dining, greatroom and kitchen, tile in baths and laundry, granite counters throughout, all baths have double vanity. Lovely game day back porch, west/wood burning fireplace and a full yard sprinkler system with a privacy fenced backyard big enough to entertain, throw the football and play.